In this tutorial, we'll show you how to take the picture on the left where it has more color around the ear area and look like the picture on the right where the ear is less colorful, but so is the whole rest of the picture. Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group, and let's jump right in. So this poster gave us two photos, one on the left here, and it's a full color photo, and the difference between this and the proposed picture was simply the fact that they took the light out, the amount of color, the saturation out, and they want the ear to look like this. This one's going to be a really simple and fun one to do, and very easy. All I'm going to do is take the second photo here, and I'll unlock it. I'm going to go to the first photo, unlock it, go to the second photo, drag it on top of the first photo. It'll automatically be put in place as one layer on top of each other. So this is what you want the ear to look like, and I'm going to bring that layer to the bottom. And this is the top layer that shows everything, including the red in the ear. So I'm going to toggle the top off, and you can see what happens from the top to the bottom. This couldn't be easier. You put the photos like in this order with the right colored ear that you want underneath. Grab an eraser. Choose the top layer where the ear is too bright. Let's make the eraser a soft point and make it really big, like almost like 100 point, right around here. And let's do actually about a 150 point. I'm going to literally just erase right around the ear, and watch this, the color disappears. And we're done with the whole thing. That's it. All you had to do was take away the ear area on the top photo and bring in the bottom, and there you go. If you want to adjust the bottom ear even more, I can choose the bottom, go to Enhance, go to Color, Hue Saturation, and watch the ear as I change the saturation from black and white to oversaturated. So I could literally like adjust it to even less if I want, or more. And I could adjust the hue and the brightness, or the lightness if I wanted. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I'll lessen this a little bit more like that and make it a little bit brighter. And we're pretty much done. That's all it takes to do this this fix. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, calling it over and out.